2016-193, State of Arkansas versus Christopher Solis II.
Your Honor, Christopher has applied. He does qualify for the services of the public defender.
Appointment is made for representation with the Public Defender's Office. Enter a plea. His plea is for arraignment on charges of commercial burglary, Class C felony, theft of property, Class A misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, a separate Class A misdemeanor. How's the defendant plead?
Waive formal reading of charge, enter a plea of not guilty.
Plea of not guilty is noted. This case is on the Division III docket of Judge Putman. Court will set him down to reappear on June 30th in front of Judge Putman.
Judge, what is this bond currently set at?
Bond is set at $5,000.
Cash or pro?
Cash or pro?
And Judge, I'm assuming you're leaving that in place for Judge Putman?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We have State of Arkansas versus Logan Walters. There are 3 cases. The first one is 2016-170 for arraignment. 2015-192 indicates for arraignment.
Your Honor, on the 2016-118 and on the 2015-192, we had already previously been appointed to represent Mr. Walters. On the new case, I do have an application for him, and he does qualify.
Very well. Public Defender's Office will be appointed on that. Let's take up the arraignment on the charges in case 2016-170 of their residential burglary, Class B felony, breaking or entering, Class D felony, theft of property of firearm, Class D felony, 11 counts on that, theft of property, Class B felony, possession of a firearm by a certain person, a Class D felony. Those are the charges against him. How does the defendant now plead?
Waive formal reading of charge, enter a plea of not guilty.
Plea of not guilty is noted. This case will be set down on the Division IV docket by scheduling order for a reappearance on October 27th, pretrial on December 8th, and set down for trial during the week of January 30th, 17. All right.
Your Honor, there's a...
Let's put him on for the, unless there's an objection from the defense, that's a good idea. We'll put him on for the, there may be other issues in the case, in which case we can move it back further, but at this time we're going to set it down for by the scheduling order on 2016-170. We'll now read trial during the week of October 17th. Pre-trial will be set for August 4th. And we'll set it down for a reappearance on July 7th.
On July, the court will allow us to on July 7th. I'm going to take the revocation at that same time, please, Your Honor.
All right. Well, let's do the arraignment on the revocation next. Let's see. Make sure I've got the right. 2015-192. The petition to revoke sets out the following grounds. First, the new charges that were filed and alleged that he committed these on June 6th of 2016. There's an additional violations alleged, I guess based on his felon in possession of a firearm charge. The fact that he was in possession of a firearm is a separate allegation, and that he failed to make payments on his fines, fees, costs, etc., and was over $1,400 in arrears for more than 60 days at the time the petition was filed in June, in April, excuse me. Those are all the allegations. On those allegations, how does the defendant now plead?
Your Honor, enter a plea of not true. We were previously set for hearing on the 7th. However, in order to be ready for the 7th, I still haven't received the discovery in the 16-118, and I'll need that for the Revo hearing.
We'll make sure his office has that shortly.
Very good. All that discovery needs to get done so we can move forward on this, on the 7th. Anything else in this matter?
No, Your Honor.
No, you're right.
Defendant may be excused.